Hey guys, what's up? So today we should talk about registries, Virus 11, 12, 13, 14. The first is called libpd dokdu. It's awesome library to get current weather, so pretty cool. Next is called pause is not stop, prevents music apps from being killed when paused. Next is called screen recording music, and screen recording is available anywhere, with iOS 12 or later. So this week allows you to record music together with screen recording, even if you're playing something with the stock music application. This is called screen recording time. It shows the screen recording time in the status bar instead of the current time. So it only works with devices with a notch, but I'm working on support for non-notch devices. This is called screen recorder, forced audio, and force the phone audio to be recorded even when the microphone is turned on. This is called Pokey Call. We actually got an update to support iOS 14. Up to iOS 14, so answers calls like a Pokemon Master with Pokey Call. This feature transforms an incoming call screen into a Pokemon battle. Contacts can be customized so you recognize who you're calling from the trainer or Pokemon. So I think this tweak is pretty amazing. So it has iOS 14 support. There's a bunch of new features and all that. So this is pretty cool. Look at that. That's awesome. This is called Pokey Center Charging. Tweak makes the Pokemon Center jingle play when you connect your device to a power source. Next week is called Recents, and quickly access your recent apps. So, Recents adds an icon to the home screen that gives you a preview of your 4 recently used apps. And we have Recents 2, and you control whether contact information can be viewable from the lock screen or not. This is called Recents Hewitt. Color indicator based on type of calls. This is called Pocket Translator, and adds a control center module to the control center. When tapped, presents a translator of your choice. This is called Weather LS, shows the weather on the lock screen. This is called Route Configurator, and customized audio routes on a per app basis. So you see it has a button to the control center that can set the preferred audio route for the currently open app. If there's anyone want to listen to one app with headphones and that with device speakers, you can do that with this week. Next is called RAM Under Time, and shows the amount of free RAM in the status bar. Next is called KB Pro, select copy and paste. This is called YT Music Ultimate, YT Music Premium features plus more. Next is called Classic Alerts, brings back iOS 8 alerts. This is called Drain Check, monitor your battery drain. So as a control center module, the control center, which upon enabling will be monitor your battery. Now if you disable it, it tells you how much battery went down or up. This is called 4Drs, 4x4 folders. This is called IP Carrier, and IP address in the status bar and control center. This is called Volify, adds a volume bar to Spotify's Now Playing interface. This is called Enable Battery Percent, and shows the battery's percent in the status bar. This is called No Interrupt when playing, and makes notifications quiet. So it makes your banners quiet while listening to music. This is called What's All Emojis, ensure WhatsApp recognizes the latest emojis. Called What to Do 3 for WhatsApp, and all in one tweak for WhatsApp Messenger. So these features right here, supports iOS 9 through iOS 14. And this is called Online Notify, so it tells you when your friends come online on WhatsApp. You have these features right here. Also get notifications when a contact has viewed one of your statuses. You get a notification when a contact sees your messages. This is called Translate-O-Matic, and quickly translate any text. So actually I use this tweak, it's pretty useful. I use it with no tweak where I can drag it right into the translate, so I can easily just drag and copy. Drag it and then the words, and then get a translation for it. So you need to quickly translate some text. Just select the desired text and choose Translate-O-Matic from the select menu itself. As simple as that. So it supports over 100 languages, which is pretty cool. That's just called Translock, and you can look for your passcode screen. These features right here. This is called Cylinder Remade, so it adds hyperspace and psycho spiral effects. So yes, you can get it on the repo https:// and it's Ryan, so RYAN, and then there nair.github.io/repo/. So that's where you guys can find it for. So yeah, pretty cool. And Sona Reborn, it brings the cool scrolling out icon animations to iOS with formulas. So our structure will be compatible with Apple CarPlay. This she's called Accent and customize your iOS default Accent and Mac OS. This she's called Amanda's and Apple Pay redesigned. This she's called Any Key Trackpad. Enter trackpad mode by long press on any key. This she's called App List. A lot of extensions to read the list of installed apps. She's called Batchomatic and batch store your tweaks, repos, saves, and .debs. And this is called Better CC Sliders. Tap at the end of the sliders at the control center. And brighten the sliders control center, increase or decrease the value by a chosen amount. And this was called Better CC at I, enhance your control center, iOS 11 and 12. And this is called Folder Plus, take back control of your folders. And this is called Ota Disabler, deletes and disables the OTA badge, supports iOS 9 through iOS 14. So make sure you guys read the red, that's important. And you're also going to re-enable it if you guys read this. So it allows you to delete the OTA data. I guess it's good so you won't, update your phone or by accident, or it won't update your phone automatically for you while you're sleeping and you lose your jailbreak and everything. This is called YouTube Patcher and no online ads or background. So tested on these versions, you might have to downgrade using App Admin or App Store Plus to do YouTube versions if the latest YouTube version is not working. Your background playback, no ads, online ads, and always high quality. This is called YouTube Plus. Tweak called Shadow-Ets. It's actually a Snapchat tweak. Use as your own risk, you guys can get banned, but Kanji, the creator of that Shadow-Ets tweak, or yeah, you download, I think it's right now it's a .dab, not in tweak yet, but he just said that they have gotten Shadow-Ets to be 100% ban proof. More information coming soon. This is called App Tools, and you swipe the icon to launch the tools. This is called DocBots, and what this tweak does, your documents in one place, allows you to keep your photos that will be accessible anywhere at any time on your device. So you can keep your licenses, important documents, gifts, or your friends' family's photos, and know that if you need them right away, just slide the grabber to assign or activator method to view your collection. This is called GPS Faker GPS. It's a GPS faking tool. So it's iOS 7.1 through iOS 14.2. It has route mode. It makes your device GPS anywhere you want. And this is called Big Bang Ev. A small Big Bang tweak from Evan. This is a Big Bang F by Evan. And pretty much what it does, you can take a portion of an entire paragraph that's not adjacent to a word or phrase, and you can continue to search or navigation. So, pretty cool. This tweak is a theme called Rupee. You let the eye decide what's beautiful for the iPhone. So, it supports iOS 14 and iPhone 12. Over 250 icons, all new UI for iOS. Next is called YT Music Ultimate, YT Music Premium features plus more. So, unlocks if not most of the YouTube Music Premium features. Also has some extra usability features. So, I believe that is the last tweet, guys. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.